Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to show that one action was completed before another action in the past. Types: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, formula, structure. Subject plus head plus V3 plus object. Examples: I had finished my work. She had left before the meeting started. They had completed the task. Negative sentences, formula and structure. Subject plus head plus not plus V3 plus object. Examples: I had not seen him before. She hadn't eaten lunch. We had not reached the station. Interrogative sentences, formula and structure. Head plus subject plus V3 plus object. Examples: had you finished your homework? Had she called you? Had they arrived earlier? Interrogative plus negative, formula and structure. Had plus subject plus not plus V3. Examples: hadn't you checked the email? Had she not completed the work?